Good morning and welcome to the slope-intercept form of linear equations. This is what we've been studying for the past 2 or 3 weeks now. And we'll just begin with the form that we call the slope-intercept form. Y equals mx plus b. And hopefully you have heard this so many times that you're so sick of hearing it that you've just memorized it. And you know that m is the slope and b is the y-intercept. Given a linear equation, find m and b. So we're going to look at an equation. We're going to identify what is the slope, the m, and what is the y-intercept, the b. Using the slope-intercept form of the equation, y equals mx plus b, it should be easy just to pull those pieces of information out. So here we have the equation y equals 3x plus 7, and we know that m equals 3 and b equals 7. This means the slope of this line. When we graph this equation, this is going to be a line, and its slope is going to be 3. The rise is 3. The run is 1. You see, any whole number is really a fraction over 1. 3 over 1. So it goes up 3 over 1. We find a place we can start counting from when b equals 7, when the y-intercept, when it intercepts that y-axis at the point 0, 7. Now if we give you the slope and the y-intercept, you should be able to write the equation. So you're just going to take the form y equals mx plus b, and if we tell you the slope is 3 and the y-intercept is -4, you're just going to insert these things in place of that letter m and in place of that letter b. And so when you're finished, you're going to have y equals 3x, m is 3, plus -4. And yes, it's okay to write 3x minus 4. They are the same thing. Again, another example. Well, the same example, pardon me. Just a little bit of the entire organization. This is what a line would look like. If we have a graph and we want to write that linear equation, well, here's our b, the beginning. It's where it crosses the y-axis. This line is called the y-axis. See, it's named y. Now this line is crossing at 2. And so that would be what we would put in for b. We would put in 2. And our slope, we're going up 1, 2, 3, 4 times to get to the line where this next point is. And we're going over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we would have a slope of 4 over 5, up 4 over 5, and a y-intercept of 2. Let's see what that looks like. Find the beginning, where we're going to begin. We find b equals 2. We find the slope, 4 over 5. We write the equation using y equals mx plus b. We just exchange these letters for the numbers we found, and we have the equation of this line, y equals 4/5 x plus 2. We've made some tables. This is where we choose x values, we apply the rule, we find y values. Let's take a look at what that looks like, and we plot points. So here, another equation. Find the b. Oh, this is actually the same equation. Okay, that happens sometimes. Let's see why we're skipping through the same equation. The end. Oh well, hopefully you've got all that. And we will see you next time.